Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to the channel. I found this epic site. It's like I don't know what they're doing here, but some kind of construction, but there's nobody here working, and all the construction equipment's out of the way. But I'm gonna spin around a little bit and show you guys. The most epic part is down here. This is another RC video, guys. Found this epic location. I gotta drive it. Check it out. So I'm fixing to drive the Kraton 8S around in here. I got my Kraton over here. I got the batteries charged up, and I'm all ready to go. So let's bash this awesome location, guys. Here we go. Here we go, guys. See what this thing's got. Woo! Some dusty stuff right there, guys. All right, guys, lost the GoPro already. Ooh. Woohoo! You guys see that? That was epic. Ooh. Sideways jump, guys. Dang. Whoops. Don't forget, guys, this is the Kraton with the castle system in it. So it's got a lot of extra power. Almost in the mud, guys. Almost in the mud. Ooh. This thing is extra tough today, guys. This thing is kicking butt. I'm putting this thing through a bunch of heck, and it's not even breaking. Woohoo! That was awesome, guys! Too much dust. Well, this Kraton is tough today, guys. This thing is awesome. All the heck I've put it through and it ain't broke. Oh, I don't want it in the mud, guys. This thing's been in the mud too much. Oh, it is in the mud. At least it ain't in the water. Oh, that was cool, guys. Can't see it up there. Ooh, ooh. Almost got hit, guys. Almost got hit. That was nuts. That thing coming at you was pretty scary. Ooh. Woohoo! I love bashing locations like this. This is fun, guys. Ooh, it pogoed on its nose. Woohoo! Pogoed on its nose, it pogoed on its nose. Ooh, ooh, that was a bad one, guys. All right, let's try to take it a little bit easier on it. Man, this thing is vicious, guys. Vicious. Woohoo! Almost got hit again. Battery's got to be almost dead by now. Should be. Get. Dang wasps are after me, guys. Got something going on, guys. I don't know if it's broke or if the battery's going dead. Oh, the battery's going dead. That's all it is. Wow, guys, I put this thing through a lot of crap and it didn't even break. Nothing broke. It's dirty and it's got wear, but nothing broke. The batteries went dead, guys. That's all that happened. Look how dirty this thing is, guys. Look at that messy Kraton. 8S Kraton. It's a filthy mess, but guys, this thing is amazing. This thing took a beating today. Nothing broke, not that I know of. It's dirty and it needs some cleanup and gone over, but it kept going. Nothing that I know of broke at all. Frame still straight. All good, guys. That took some hefty nose plants too. Nothing. It looks like I put a little crack on the front bumper right there. Other than that, guys, it's still good. All right, guys, that's the end of the Kraton 8S video. Nothing broke. The batteries went dead. This place is epic. I could bash here over and over and over. There's always something new to do because there's so much going on. And I bet since it's like a construction site, it changes. It's going to be changing. I could do a lot of videos here, guys. This place is epic. There's always something new to hit, some new trick you want to try or something, and it's just a lot of fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments if you like this location. I got the original stock tires back on it. I didn't like those other ones. They was too heavy. This thing's a mess, guys. I won't be able to run this thing again until I get the air compressor on it and check it all out and everything. I don't want to ramble on here too much, so that's the end of the video. Make sure if you guys like it, you leave me a like. If you're new, make sure you're subscribed for 10 years of good luck. And let me know in the comments what you think about the video. Love you guys. See you on the next one.